Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix too many friends on Snapchat. So to do that, first go to your friends, and here you can see your friends. Now if you want to fix this issue, you can remove your friends and you can do it as much as you like. That way you can fix this issue of too many friends, or you can just contact Snapchat support. So just follow the steps in the video. Go to your settings, scroll down and click on I need help. And now just follow the steps given in the video, and that should fix your problem. So that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next video.